We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned about different possibility and we mentioned how we can look for trade. And that was what we can see. We mentioned if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it, and with the breakout of this stuff, we start to manage. Anyway, this is the only, as we can see, the price reverse from here, and we see we should be in the trade for buy. The best, the only option to look for trade, if anyone get the trade from here based on 15 minutes. Okay, and the second was from here, and whoever get the trade from here, they should be really careful, and whoever get the trade from here, at least move their stop loss to break even and just let it go, because the take profit we're looking for, the first one is 30.6, almost the price is there, and if there is a continuation, the second one is 32.6. Okay, but we need to highlight that if we put this stop relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, we have a divergence, but MACD, we don't have it. And I need to highlight most of the charts, they have a similar movement. And the MACD doesn't show us a divergence. We want to see what's the next, whether this is the start of the up move, or we can expect this one turn to deeper correction. That's why whoever get a trade, they, especially if they get a trade from here, just move their stop loss to break even. And anyone get a trade from here, they need to monitor it closely in case the price drop. Okay, but if you're looking for continuation, we want to see the sharp move, and we need to see the breakout of the previous stop. Okay, now first we move to daily chart. You want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is we're looking for continuation, we have nothing to discuss. And if we move to forward chart, the only things I need to highlight here, as I mentioned, most of the charts we have similar movement. We want to see whether this is the start of the up move, or we can expect the price consolidate here in relative to this for one more drop before we get the reversal. Because if we get this option, we after that we can get the divergence based on forward chart mostly, and even based on 1 hour chart. And if we get any reversal, can give us a confirmation. But how about if the price, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. Okay, the only things I want to highlight here, if you're looking for buy from, if we're looking for trade from here for buy, we need to have a proper management, because we have this second option as I mentioned right now. All right, then as we can see right now, the price, the way it's moving is quite sharp. And if we move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is right now we need to manage the trade. And if there is a continuation, next flag also we can look for trade. But if we get any trade, we need to see the continuation as a short move. If this one turn to a corrective move, then we should know maybe this one turn to a correction relative to this. Okay, but right now we have been looking for this flat. We cannot confirm since MACD doesn't give us a divergence. Just based on here we have a divergence. The only thing is we should have the proper management. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And right now we don't have any trade set up, and whoever get a trade from here, they need to be really careful. We want to see the breakout of the previous top. And again, whoever get a trade from the first flag based on 15 minutes, they should move their stop loss to break even. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.